Assalamu alaikum. In previous videos we have done question number 1 and question number 2. Today we are going to continue exercise 20.1 with question number 3. Before starting the video, please do subscribe my channel, hit the like button. Let's start the exercise. Question number 3 is determine the value of m in each of the following quadratic equations that will make the roots equal. In this question, they are asking to find the value of m with given quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation, you can see a is m plus 1, b is 2m plus 3, and c is 2m plus 3. So let's write the values of a, b and c. A is m plus 1, b is 2 m plus 3, and c is 2m plus 3. This is a quadratic equation, so we can apply the formula of discriminant, which is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Let's put the values. B square means 2 m plus 3 whole square minus 4. A is m plus 1, so let's put the value of a, which is m plus 1, and c is 2m plus 3. So again, after simplification, it will be 2 square means 4, m plus 3 whole square. This is whole square, so we have to apply it individually. 2 square will be 4 and m plus 3 whole square minus 4. Student, you can see these two brackets are multiplying, so we have to multiply. First one, m is multiplying with this bracket, then plus 1 is also multiplying with this bracket, 2m plus 3. So let's multiply it one by one. The first term is m, then the whole bracket is 2m plus 3, then plus 1 is also multiplying with this, bracket closed. Here you can see we will apply the formula of perfect square, which is a plus b whole square, which is equal to a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, where your a is m and b is 3. So let's apply the formula. After this, delta will be 4 will be written as it is. A square means m square plus 2, a is m and b is 3, plus b square means 3 square, bracket closed. We have applied the formula. Now in this, brackets are multiplying. When you will multiply m by 2m, it will be 2m and m will be m square. Then plus, when you will multiply m by 3, it will be 3m plus 1 2s are 2m and 1 3s are 3, bracket closed. Now more simplification will be done. 4 m square, 2 3s are 6m plus 3 square is 9 minus 4 2m square, 3 and 2 5m plus 3, bracket closed. From this term and from this term, you can see 4 is common, so we will take 4 as common. Instead of multiplying, we will take it as common, if common is possible. If you take 4 common from here, the remaining values are m square plus 6m plus 9. Similarly, if you take 4 common from here, the remaining values are minus, then bracket 2m square plus 5m plus 3, bracket closed. Now the given condition is the roots are equal. If the roots are equal, then we put delta equal to 0. So we will write roots are equal, so delta is equal to 0. So let's put it, instead of delta I will write 0 is equal to 4 m square plus 6m plus 9. This bracket will be opened with minus sign, so it will be minus 2m square minus plus minus 5m minus plus minus 3, bracket closed. You can see this 4 is multiplying with the whole bracket. If you shift it on the left side, it will be divided by 0, and if we divide any number by 0, we get 0. So 4 will be vanished, and the value is now m square plus 6m plus 9 minus 2m square minus 5m minus 3. Now we will rearrange the values. M square will be written with minus 2m square, same variables will be written together, plus 6m and minus 5m will be written together, and the last is plus 9 and minus 3. M square minus 2m square. If you solve these two numbers, you will get plus minus minus, and the sign of bigger number we write, so it will be minus m square plus 6m and minus 5m is plus m, and the 9 minus 3 is 6. In this question we are going to find the value of m, so we have to simplify it further. Take minus common from the bracket, from all terms. If we take minus common, it will be plus m square, plus m will be minus m, and plus 6 will be minus 6, because when we take minus sign common, we change the signs of all numbers. Now you can see minus is multiplying with the whole bracket. If you shift it on left side with 0, it will be divided, and any number which is divided by 0, we write 0. So the value is now m square minus m minus 6, don't need to write minus now, and this whole term is equal to 0. Now we have to simplify it, and if we apply middle term bracket, we will find the value of m. So apply middle term breakup to simplify. Okay, now the first number is 1 and the last digit is minus 6. If you multiply 1 by minus 6, you get minus 6. The number is required. If you multiply the number, you get minus 6. If you simplify or add or subtract the number, you get middle is minus 1. Middle number is minus 1. So if the numbers are 3 and 2, because if you multiply 3 by 2, you get 6, and you subtract 3 and 2, you get 1. So the numbers are 3 and 2. Please be careful about sign, because minus 1 is required, so we will write minus with the bigger number. So we have broken the middle term, that is minus 3m plus 2m. Now take m common from the first two terms. If you take m common, it will be m minus 3. You have already taken m common, so just minus 3 will be written. From these two terms, you will write plus 2. If you take plus 2 common, it will be m minus 2 3s are 6. If these two brackets are same, it means you are correct. M minus 3, and the second is m plus 2 is equal to 0. From here you can see m minus 3 is equal to 0 by equating m minus 3 is equal to 0 and m plus 2 is also equal to 0. From here you will get the value of m, which is 3. Minus 3 will be shifted on the right side and it will be plus 3. Similarly, plus 2 will be minus 2. So the values of m are 3 and minus 2. This is the solution of part 1. Now let's move on the second part of question number 3. Now the second part is 9x squared plus mx plus 16. Again the same method will be followed. First we have to write the value of a, b and c. So let's write it. Here you can see a is 9, b is m and C is equal to 16. Same formula will be applied, which is delta is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Let's put the values. Delta will be b squared means m squared minus 4a is 9 and c is 16. M square minus 4 9s are 36 and 36 now 16. Now delta is equal to m square minus 36 and 16s are 576. Now roots are equal. So delta will be considered 0. So let's put delta 0, m square minus 576. Because we are going to find the value of m, so we have to make it separate. M square is equal to 576. 576 will be shifted with 0 and it will be plus ka 576. Now we are going to find the value of m, so we have to take square root to remove square. M square is equal to under root 576, and if we take square and root will be cancelled and it will be m, and the square root of 576 is plus minus 24. So we have found two answers of m, which is plus 24 and m is equal to minus 24. So question 3 is completed now. Now let's move on question number 4. Now question number 4 is show that the roots of the following quadratic equations are real. So we have to prove that the roots are real. So they are asking to find the nature of the root which is real. We have to prove it. So let's consider first part. In this part you can see a is 1, b is the whole coefficient of x is minus 2, k plus 1 upon k. These all terms are attached with x, so this is the coefficient of x, which is b, and c is equal to 3. So to find the nature of the root, we have to apply this formula. So let's put the values, and we have to prove that the roots are real. So let's prove it by putting the values. B square means minus 2, k plus 1 upon k whole square, minus 4, a is 1 and c is 3. Delta is equal to minus 2, these square will be applied on both terms, so minus 2 square will be 4, k plus 1 upon k whole square, minus 4 3s are 12. Now in k plus 1 upon k whole square, it's a perfect square formula we can apply, so we will apply it over here. So which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it will be k square plus 2, a is k, b is 1 upon k plus 1 upon k whole square, minus 12 will be written as it is. Now you can cut this k by this k and it will be 4 k square plus 2 plus 1 upon k square minus 12. Now you will multiply 4 with the whole bracket. It will be 4k square plus 4 2s are 8 plus 4 upon k square. So after multiplying it will be 4k square plus 8k plus 4 upon k square minus 12. After simplification it will be 4k square plus 8 and minus 12 will be minus 4 plus 4k Now in this question they are asking to prove that the roots are real. Roots are real means that the value of k is positive. We have to show that the answer is positive. So we have to consider any value of for k. You can take any value to check the answer. If we take k is equal to 1 and we verify it 4, we will put k is 1 minus 4 plus 4 upon k square. Instead of k I am going to put 1, so it will be 1 square. 1 square is 1, 4 ones are 4, minus 4 plus 4 upon 1 square is 1. This 4 will be cancelled with this 4 and the remaining value is 4, which is real. Similarly, we can check with another value. Any value you can take, so I am going to take k is equal to 2. So let's check it by 2 minus 4 plus 4 upon 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 4s are 16 minus 4 plus 4 upon 2 square is 4. This 4 and this 4 will be cancelled. 16 minus 4 is 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13. Again, when we put k1, then we got 4, which is positive number. When we put k is equal to 2, again we got 13, which is a positive number. So every time we are getting a positive number, which is proving that this answer is real. So it's proved that roots are real. Now let's do second part of question number 4, which is same as first part. So let's take the values of a, b and c. Here you can see a is 2n, b is 2, l plus m plus n, and c is l plus m. All values will be put in the formula, which is b square minus 4ac. So let's put the values. b is 2, l plus m plus n whole square minus 4, a is 2n, and c is l plus m. Now we will simplify it to get the answer. Here 2 square will be 4, l plus m plus n whole square minus 4 2s are 8, n, and in bracket l plus n is written. We will write it as it is. Now on this portion you can see we will apply the formula of a plus b plus c. 3 numbers are adding, so we will apply the formula for 3 variables a plus b plus c whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and plus 2ca. So let's apply the formula. First of all, we will write 4 as it is. A square plus b square plus c square. Your a is l, b is m, c is n, so it will be l square plus m square plus n square, then plus 2ab, 2lm plus 2bc. This is b and this is c, so it will be 2mn, and the last is 2ca, c and a, 2nl. We have applied formula in this bracket. Now this bracket is multiplying with 8n, so let's multiply it. When you will multiply 8n by l, you will get 8nl minus plus minus 8mn. Now the whole bracket is multiplying by 4, so let's multiply it. 4l square plus 4m square plus 4n square. 4 2s are 8 lm plus 4 2s are 8 mn and 4 2s are 8 nl. The last two terms are 8 nl and 8 mn. Now this 8 nl and this 8 nl will be cancelled to each other. Plus 8 and minus 8. Similarly, plus 8 mn and minus 8 mn will be cancelled to each other. So the leftover values are 4l square plus 4m square plus 4n square plus 8lm So these are the leftover values. You can prove it by taking the values as we have taken the value of k in this part, the first part. Similarly, you can prove it. You can see all values are positive, so you will get the real number. So directly you can write all values are positive, hence proved. Roots are real. So we have done question number 3 and question number 4. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button. Allah Hafiz.